Great. Now this is a very, very high-end palette. I showed this on my Amazon Live during Prime Week, I want to say, or like lead up to Black Friday, Cyber Monday. And it sold so well because let me actually show you. So look how cute this is. I bought this on the bareMinerals website, and they actually have, if you are an Amazon Prime member, they have, and same with Stilla. Stilla has this too, where you could do like the auto ship thing and get a little bit of a discount on it, which is great. So this is how it arrives. My palette is called Ultranatural, which I love, and it's the Ultranatural. And it just, the packaging for me is so pretty. But wait, there's more. Look at this. I mean, this is not the cutest little thing you've ever seen. It's a perfect gift. I suggested to some of my friends on my live shows on Amazon, I said, you know what, if you like it, get a few at this price point. I like it because you could just kind of keep these in your, like, in the guest bedroom closet kind of thing. And these are great go-to gifts. So if you're looking for a hostess gift, if you're invited to an event, things like that, these are really nice little gifts to give. I just love it. And it's a great little starter. So let's open up the book. Well, as you can see, I use it a lot, right? One of my philosophies and my promise to you, I will never, ever show you anything that I don't absolutely live, breathe, and swear by. Stilla and some of the Jane Iredale things were gifted to me, and I think that's it. Everything else I'm showing you, I bought myself. Oh, and this I bought, bareMinerals, I bought myself, not gifted. But I swear by these items, and I use them all the time. So even though they're gifted, I don't show things that I don't like. I'm not that kind of person. I just find it to be unhelpful when people do like 10 reasons why I hate this, right? That's not my vibe. So I'm just going to show you things that I love, or else I'm not going to show it to you at all. So look how cute. Now, even better for my friends that are like not great at makeup, this is for you. So you want to get the color Ultra Natural that I have up here. And look, it gives you instructions. So if you look up close, so here it is. I know it's reversed because the mirror. So look, they're numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then on the side of the book here, it has directions. So it literally says, well, it actually has a French version too. So if you speak French, you could practice your French here. So it says, go natural with endlessly flattering possibilities. Love that. These 6 richly pigmented eyeshadows enhance your eyes with a range of cool neutral hues. Cool, sold, love it. Use shades 1 through 3, for a soft, luminous taupe look, and shades 4 through 6 for smoky nude definition. And visit bareminerals.com to learn how to get these looks, which is great. So within this palette, you have 2 palettes. So let's do the first one. The first one they recommend is to start with the ecru color and just to go and work this way. So 1, 2, 3. So let's do the ecru. Okay, and I'm just going to go on super, super soft and light because you could always add. And then I'm going to click. I'm going to go to the taupe. Okay, I'm going to follow their directions, which by the way, I always do. Go. And then I'm going to go over it with number 3, which is Sandstone, like this pretty little, it's rosy. It's and go over. So this is like the natural illuminating one. And there you have it. I really do think, and remember, if you're just joining in, I have the Stilla liquid eyeshadows on already, but again, like a really good base, right? So here we go. So that is the first palette suggestion that they have. Now, of course, you could use it however you want, but I do like that it has the instructions because it's like a nice gift to give somebody that's younger or newer to makeup. So let's start with 4 and go to 6, which is smoky nude definition. So you start with shell, the pinky. So pretty. You guys are gonna love this. I use this all the time. It's just gorgeous. And then the second one is called Dawn, which is like a light brown. It's amazing. Like the colors by themselves are pretty, but it's the combination of the 3 that really do work. And then Slate, which is this is the darkest one on the entire palette. So I'm just gonna do a tiny, tiny bit and be really careful. I'm just gonna go on my lash line here and see. It's a little bit that like smokes it up a little bit. And now again, like I like this illuminating one for the purpose of this live, but look, I step back, you see the difference? So this one's slightly smokier and this one's just illuminating, right? So 2 different looks in one palette. Again, you get a lot of bang for your buck here, which I love. Like kind of a lame term to use, but it's true. I don't care if I'm spending how much I'm spending. I do like I like to feel like I got the most out of my purchase. You know, whether it's a pretty sweater or an eyeshadow palette, like I want it to last. I want it to be good quality. Um, and this is definitely a great, great, great find. So I like it. You could see, I'm going to sit back a little bit. Now you could kind of get a better idea. It's always hard. So if I sit back, see, so this is the smokier one, and this is the daytime illuminating one. Both are stunning, right? And you have so much in that palette. And then you're finished. How beautifully it's packaged here from the bareMinerals website. If you're just joining in, hi, I'm Hailey Feldman. This is My Chic Style Live. Hi. And we're going through some great makeup must-haves, and I'm going to show you 2 cute looks at the end for fashion that will just like make you look so expensive without like really, really breaking your bank, which is my whole